Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Fun Outdoors. I am here at, this is part of my Cape Henalopen State Park camping series here. And what am I going to do today? Well, it's just about November. I'm here with my buddy John. So what I've decided to do is, you know what, we're going to celebrate Thanksgiving together. So usually I try to make some kind of different Thanksgiving meal around this time of year. So for Thanksgiving this year, I'm going to go ahead and create a Thanksgiving meal on a bun. So basically I'm going to make some turkey burgers from Butterball. I've got some potatoes, got some turkey stuffing, got some cranberry sauce, got some gravy. So I'm just going to make this a Thanksgiving Day burger to celebrate Thanksgiving. So John and I obviously won't be together. We'll be with our families and stuff, as probably a lot of you will be. But for right now, this is going to be my Thanksgiving video, which I'll release around Thanksgiving time to make this perfect Thanksgiving burger. So I'm going to use a lot of stuff here, as you see. On the table, I've got my Pathfinder skillet. I'm going to use that. I got my seatosummit pot. I've got my Stanley 2-quart pot. I've got my cast iron. And as always, of course, over to the left here, or to the right, I should say, I do have my famous Coleman stove, which I'm going to use to cook a lot of this stuff. So we got a lot of different ingredients I'm going to need to put together and cook today. So I just thought I'd get this started and kind of show you once we get the stuff going. Then I'll bring you back and kind of show you where we're at and what we're starting with. Alright everybody, so I got the cast iron here on the Coleman stove. I got the other burner lit. I'm going to go ahead and start making the stuffing. So it needs 1.5 cups of water. I got to bring to a boil and then add the stuffing mix in there. That's nothing too complicated. So while this heats up, and then I'll wait to put the burgers on there. They'll take the longest to get done. So let me go ahead and do that. Stanley pot, 1 cup of water, and we'll do about a half. I have a half cup over there, but I'm just going to eyeball it. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on that Stanley pot there, and then we'll let that go ahead and start to boil. Then we'll add the stuffing, and then we'll get the burgers on when that oil is nice and hot. So we'll bring you back when that's ready to go. All right, everybody. So the oil is nice and hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and put down this turkey burger right there in the middle and get that start to fry. John told me he's not too hungry right now, so I'm just going to cook one for me and kind of show you that final product when it's done. He's going to go off and get a nice shower. They have a nice bathhouse and shower here. You can get hot water. It's perfect. So he's going to go do that while I'm cooking this, and then when he's ready, I'll just make his Thanksgiving turkey burger to celebrate with him. But for right now, I'm just going to make one for me, and then I'll make his, like I said, later. So, all right, that turkey burger is starting to cook and starting to fry in that nice oil in that cast iron. I got the water in that other Stanley pot waiting to boil for the stuffing, and we're going to put this all together, and it's going to be awesome. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody, so I moved the cast iron with the turkey burger over to the second burner over here on my stove. So now we're going to go ahead and lift this pot, and oh, yep, that water is boiling. So I'm going to go ahead, get my good value turkey stuffing. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this. We're going to cook the stuffing in here, and then I'm going to make this stuffing, and then make it into a little bit of a patty that's going to go on top of my turkey burger. So here's just the good value stuffing. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that open with my Mora knife. Put that over to the side. Just going to pour this in. Perfect. All right, get that off the side of my table. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fluff this with a fork. Look at that. I'm sure you can see that while I'm doing that right there, right? Yeah. So, yep. Okay. Pull it off the heat. Look at that. Looks absolutely perfect. Okay, while I'm stirring this, I'm going to put this for the mashed potatoes. So that's my seatosummit 2-quart pot. So I'm going to put that on that burner and start to get that water boiling while I kind of just stir this a little bit. As you can probably see right there, that looks absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to form this into a small patty, and then I'm going to cook that up right in there with the turkey burger. So we're going to have this on top of that. It's going to be awesome. So let that water boil, and then we'll make the potatoes there. And then I'm going to start put this off to the side to hold it and get the patty made, and then as soon as that turkey burger is just a little bit more done, we're going to go ahead and add the stuffing for that crusty topping. So just give me a few seconds and I'll bring you back and kind of show you what it looks like. Everybody, so the water is boiling in my seatosummit pot, so I'm going to put that lid off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and grab now these buttery, complete flavored mashed potatoes right here, and we're just going to go ahead and add these in here. Open that up and cut that all the way. That's probably not safe, but okay, got it done. Alright, let's go ahead and let's see. It just says, just gotta add these, boiling water, fluff with a fork, let's stand 2 minutes. Cool. Alright, get this in here. Alright, got those done. Go ahead and use my wooden spoon here and kind of stir these mashed potatoes. My fork I use for the stuffing, so I'm just going to go ahead and stir these up. Alright. Those look absolutely awesome. Nice creamy buttery flavored mashed potatoes. Take a look at that. Delicious. So we're going to have potatoes. So instead of French fries with our Thanksgiving burger, we're going to have mashed potatoes. All right, so I'll put that off to the side. Now I'm going to make some turkey mixed gravy here. So I'm going to use my military canteen cup. I'm going to put that on the stove, and I've got 1 cup cold water. About a cup of cold water. I'm going to add that in there. I'm going to go ahead and put my Pathfinder canteen lid on there. I'm going to head and let that boil. And then once that's boiled, we'll go ahead and add the gravy mix and we'll have the gravy to go on top. So we're just about there. So let me go ahead and flip that turkey burger one more time, and then I'm going to kind of make a patty from the stuffing and kind of get that crisped up on the edges a little bit in the pan, and we'll just be about ready to put it all together. So just hang on one second, folks. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Signed Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and use my Pathfinder spork, pull the lid off this canteen. Yep, that water's boiling, so I'm just going to put this lid off to the side. I turned off the gas, and that burger's just sitting there. That's completely done. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this turkey gravy mix. All right, pour it right in there. And this is cooked. I'm going to go ahead and turn off this burner. Perfect. Let's see, make sure I get all that out. Perfect. Okay. We'll make sure that's in the garbage, and we're going to go ahead and just give this a stir. Get that all. Make sure we get all these chunks. Make sure we get all these lumps in this gravy mixed up. That looks really, really good. All right. So we are definitely looking at this. It's going to be awesome. All right, so now I got the gravy done, the burger's done, the mashed potato stuffing. Now I tried to do the stuffing in the pan with the turkey burger, and I think that stuffing just soaked up all that oil, so it didn't look very good at all. So you know what? We're just going to put it on top and kind of have it as just on top there without kind of crisping it up. It just didn't work with my cast iron. So all right, but let me go ahead and now start assembling this, and we'll kind of show you that final product. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up our cranberry. See if I can open this right. Here we go. Okay. See if I can get this out. Jeez. You know, I've never actually opened a can of cranberry before, and usually my wife, she's from Plymouth, so she go ahead and makes fresh cranberries every Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead and pull that out a little bit. Okay, there it is. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my Mora knife and I'm just going to cut this as if it was a slice of tomato. So let's just go right like that. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to start assembling this burger. So let me bring you back when I've got the bun out of the bag, and we'll kind of show me putting it all together. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and start assembling this burger. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my roll. So there's my roll. Then I'm going to get my patty. Perfectly cooked turkey burger. Perfect. I'm going to get my stuffing right here. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of scoop up a smush of stuffing right there. Put this on here. Put that down. Oh yeah, absolutely delicious. Perfect. Got plenty left over for John. Let's go ahead. Sorry for about to reach there. I'm going to go ahead and go around the camera. Put that on the side. Then I'm going to get my perfectly cut slice of cranberry. Put that right on top right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my gravy. So here's my gravy. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this one final stir. Had this boiling just to keep it warm and heat it up a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and get some gravy. Kind of pour that with those little bits right there. Just pour that all over. It's going to be my sauce. Perfect. Put that on the side. Okay, then put my right on top like that. And I'm going to take some mashed potatoes, and we're just going to put these buttery mashed potatoes right here on the side, because what's Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes? Then I'm going to go ahead and then grab my gravy again, right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my mashed potatoes. Perfect. Awesome. Put that down. All right, folks, there you have it. The Thanksgiving burger here at Cape Henalopen State Park. Again, I got my bun, my turkey patty from Butterball, some stuffing. I've got that beautiful little slice of cranberry for that tomato, the gravy on top, my mashed potatoes with some gravy. Thanksgiving in the woods. Is there anything better? No, I don't think so. So as soon as John's ready, I'm going to go ahead and repeat this and make it for him. But for right now, I'm going to take this and go and enjoy my little bit of Thanksgiving here. So to you and your family, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you, all of you, for subscribing. Thanks all for the likes and the replies and the comments you make. I really appreciate it. I really enjoy making these cooking videos. So I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving holiday and stuff. And I'll have more video content for you soon. So take care, everybody, and thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.